Hello, we decided to do the data science track of the Code Quantum Hackathon. We used a combination of R and Python libraries to create the data visualizations you see before you now. For example, in this graph, I decided to use a one-third transformation on the data to better show the discrepancies between these two teams, showing the percentages of those teams' holdings on the higher and lower ends of the point spectrum. Examples such like these will be shown by my partner to explain why exactly teams win and lose the races.
I'd like to start out by immediately going to driver face consistency, the graph. I'd like to point out that Callander is up at the top left. Despite his low average time for the pace for laps, he's very inconsistent. He has the highest standard deviation, the second highest maybe. But this is bad because if you go down to positions gained, you can see not only does he not gain many positions and moving down to team points progression, he is part of a team Alpine, and Alpine is remains consistently bad. And in the 2025 driver standings, he actually scored the least out of anybody other than his teammate, I believe. And the reason why this could be is because of the pit stop crews. They are unsure of when he's going to come in due to his high standard deviation, his inconsistent and variable variable driving, and so the pit crews may need more time to fix his car. And looking at the other spectrum, we have Antonelli and we have Verstappen as pretty low, despite their high lap times. They're pretty low on the standard deviation, so that means they're very consistent. The pit crew knows when they're going to show up, and the pit crew will be able to service them fast and quick. And as we can see, Antonelli is actually the highest positions gained because he starts off at a low position and he just keeps gaining that position, right? Meanwhile, Verstappen is actually very low on the positions gained because he actually just stays in one position the entire time. He stays for the most part in a high position, and this is because of his consistency. So when you want to make a team, you want to make sure that your team is consistent, that you want to make sure that they're fast, and you also want to make sure that your driver is doesn't prioritize speed over consistency, and you want to make sure that there aren't any issues with the manufacturing of the cars, and you want to make sure that you're using a strategic plan for your cars.